Welcome to Session 8, Greatest Common Factor and Least Common Multiple. These tools solve different relationships. The greatest common factor supports the largest identical groups or simplest ratios. The least common multiple identifies the first shared point in repeating cycles. Naming the relationship before calculating prevents a correct computation from answering the wrong question. The greatest common factor is the largest number that divides every original value. The least common multiple is the smallest positive number divisible by every original value. For grouping or cutting identical pieces, look for a common factor. For repeating schedules or common denominators, look for a common multiple. Find the greatest common factor of 24 and 36. Their prime forms are 2 cubed times 3 and 2 squared times 3 squared. Take only primes shared by both using the smaller exponent. That gives 2 squared times 3, or 12. Verify that 12 divides both original numbers evenly. Find the least common multiple of 8 and 12. 8 is 2 cubed, 12 is 2 squared times 3. Include every required prime at the larger exponent, 2 cubed times 3. The result is 24. Verify that both 8 and 12 divide 24 evenly. One light flashes every 6 seconds and another every 8 seconds. The first light flashes at 6, 12, 18, and 24 seconds. The second flashes at 8, 16, and 24 seconds. Their first positive shared time is 24 seconds, the least common multiple of 6 and 8. Suppose 18 red items and 30 blue items must be arranged using the largest identical group size with no leftovers. The group size must divide both counts. The greatest common factor of 18 and 30 is 6. 18 makes 3 groups of 6, and 30 makes 5 groups of 6. Checkpoint. What is the least common multiple of 12 and 18? 12 is 2 squared times 3. 18 is 2 times 3 squared. Use the larger power of each prime. 2 squared times 3 squared equals 36. Both original numbers divide 36. Decide the relationship before calculating. Greatest common factor means shared divisors and largest equal groups. Least common multiple means shared multiples and first repeating coincidence. Use smaller shared prime powers for the greatest common factor and larger required powers for the least common multiple. Continue learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com.